kindness when they come to you for help. And that will make
Secretariat for gracing this occasion with his esteemed presence and for his continued guidance and support. Hence, closer to the people truly inspires us all. I also take this opportunity to our Honorable Deputy Chief President, sir, your constant support and encouragement towards this subdivision. A special would also like to thank Dr. Shakir for his steadfast support.
Thank you all and wish you a pleasant evening.
1, 2, 3.
Di ba nang back yung...
Yes.
I think bigger than Chief Secretary of Just definitely bigger than Sir. Definitely bigger than my son. Bigger than my room for sure. Mind you, Hapoh. No, not done. And personality and all. How do you take that? I think the message one time.
Exactly.